industry itself. Before I begin, can I take a couple of responses from future managers on how exactly do you think you can solve these issues? Couple of responses. You gotta help me quickly. Anyone? Ashish? Come on.
I didn't
Nobody?
get the question.
Okay, so now I can move over to my slide. So first of all, we have improvements in regulation at system level. This is basically talking about the system, the regulatory authorities like RBI and the government banks. The loans are issued and controlled by the clerks, and there's a lot of corruption in our country. So we need an improvement at the system level so that these clerks maintain transparency. Secondly, the interest rates, they should be lowered. As you, I'd like to say that microcredits charge a higher interest compared to other loans. So there's a very severe need to lower these loans, the rate on the loans, because these loans are for the poor people and they cannot afford a high interest. Third on the list, we have got create a well-knit national ID system. I think all of you would have heard of Aadhaar ID system, the unique ID system. Microfinance was one of the major reasons why this system was thought of being in place. The credit ratings would be judged by the Aadhaar card, and that will help the creditors to give credit to people on the basis of the credit rating, because they do not have any collateral security to take loan against. Lastly, we have encouraged creation of non-profit organizations to take up microfinancing. As you know, microfinancing deals with poor people, so it's very important that their interest is protected. So non-profit organizations would be a boon, so that, okay, we can move to the next slide. Again, the first point says that we need to improve transparency. Secondly, the private players have to reduce their dependence on banks for funds. They can look for other sources of funds so that they can get lower interest rate. The last point is double bottom line approach. It says that the private players also have to take into consideration the social aspect and the profit making together. With that, we'll conclude, and we would like to take a couple of questions.
You said India has such a good scope for the. You said India has a very good scope for the microfinance. There is a very need. So why there is a very less participation from the entrepreneurs?
The reason is the person